Hello and good afternoon. My name is Gerald Reynolds, and this is my presentation on using business and virtuals. When looking at making a website, there are 5 things I want to apply to attract the viewers to it, and they are visual organization, visual simplicity, visual interactivity, charts and graphs, and images. When looking at UF Health website for an example, you can see that there's clean, deliberate lines. You see them here, throughout the entire website. And the navigation tabs are a straight line going from left to right, which is pleasant and appealing to the users, along with the white and blue, which Robin Landa says that is soothing to the medical audience, and it creates a visual that UF is clean and organized. Along with UF Health's website being organized, it shows simplicity, which Robin Landa states that simplicity provides a clear path for users to use it, and it is a simple and calming experience. Since we're talking about medical field, we don't want to bring any more chaos into our patient's life. When it comes to interactivity of a website, having interactive links such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, call center, links is important to help gain user support. Since this is a hospital website, usually they want to make a gift or jobs or transfer. They're trying to bring patients in along with support from the community, because without people donating money to the hospital, they can't really pay for newer improved technology. Showcasing the search bar so users can look for answers and treatment increases the chance for patients to spread the word about the facility, which having the links for social media will allow the users to tell their friends to organize they want to look back. So if, say, a customer comes into UF Health and likes what they see and likes their experience, while during visiting our website, they could just come over here to their Facebook link, hit it, go on their Facebook, and tell their friends and family about their experience on our website. Looking at graphs, Robin Landa says that as humans, a majority of us are visual learners and thinkers. Visuals allow us to send messages quickly and meaningfully. Therefore, this chart graph has to be clean, concise, and deliberate so that people instantly know what they are looking at when and what is going on in the graph. A lot of us learn visually, and we know that something is going up right here. And we see percentage of hospitals, big bold letters of the title, colors broke down. It's clean, it's easy to read. There's not a lot of information on here, reference of where they got their information, but it's enough information for us to see, okay, we can understand the chart and go from there and see what's going on. This is what people want to see. They want to see clean and concise charts so that they can understand, they can understand numbers more better than being told. Last but least, a website has to use visually attract the viewer's eyes instantaneously. Therefore, showing patients such as these 4 right here, with captions of their success stories, instantly draws the eyes of the audience and sends a message of their success rate at UF Health that will help them and their family members make the right decision of coming to UF Health for treatment. So something as simple as giving a mission statement of UF Health and what they're backing and everything, and then showing these 4 patients that UF Health had, and then giving a little bit of a caption about what their diagnosis was and their stories, and then giving you links interactive links where you can pick those, pick what stories you want to read. Images such as this is what people want to see. They want to see the facility. They want to see the success rate. They want to see what UF Health is all about and why they should come to them. And I believe, seeing smiles on patients' faces where other hospitals might have, gave them a diagnosis, something separate than that they may not be smiling about, could be something that draws patients in and allows them and wants them to come to UF Health and tell their family to come to UF Health for future health needs. But that concludes my presentation, and thank you for listening.